Ryan.
It's my first purse. You have a cell phone and keys and a change purse and lipstick and a hair comb. All for Ryan.
That's kind of like our Ford Apache.
She wants to get into that.
You want to see it? Okay. Last one they have left. She said they can't keep them in stock. There it is.
Ryan, how old are you?
Ryan. Hello. Hi, you want to wish Ryan a happy birthday? Okay. It's Elmo. Say hello. Are you going to text someone now?
Just text students.
That thing don't